So why this Mumbai and the places those which are present near the sea coast have moderate climate? Let us see about this. This is because of the land and sea breeze. Okay, in the daytime the sun hits both the land and the sea. So in the daytime, as we know, due to the sunlight or the sun rays, both the land and the sea both gets hot. Okay, the sun hits both the land and the sea. Land heats up more quickly than water, and as we know, the land surface or the earth surface gets more quickly heats up more quickly than the water. It is hotter than the sea. So in this way, the land becomes more hot than that of water in the daytime. Hot air is lighter than the cold air. We all of us know that hot air, the air which is hot, is lighter than the cold air. Therefore, warm air above the land rises, and which is lighter, that will go up. So in this way, the hot air goes up to the sky. When the hot air goes up to the sky, the sea breeze or the cool air from the sea moves towards the place, towards the land, to fill up the gap of the air. That is why it is called the sea breeze. So in one sentence, if we go to see, when the land heats up easily than that of water, the hot air goes up into the sky, and to fill up the empty space, the sea breeze, which is colder than the land, it moves towards the land, and thus it is, as it is moves from the sea towards the land, it is called sea breeze. And the sea breeze is colder than that of the land, that of the air which was present in the land. That is why the cold breeze which moved towards the land makes it cool, little bit cooler, not so much cool in compared to the places which are present in the far distance from the sea areas. In the same way, what happens at night? At night, the land cools down easily. The land surface or the earth surface cools down easily, but the water of the sea takes a long time to be cooled down. That is why in this case, at night, the land on the land or the earth surface, the air which is present on the earth surface is what is called colder, and the air which is present on the sea surface is hotter. That is why the air which is present in the sea, it heats up and move upwards into the sky, and to fill up the gap of the space of the sea, the land the air which is present above the land, move towards the sea to fill up the gap. Thus, the transfer of hot air from sea to land and from land to sea takes place continuously each day, in every 24 hours. And when in every 24 hours the cold air from the sea move towards the land, and at night similarly the hot air of the land cold air of the land move towards the sea at night. This movement of air, cold and hot air, to these both places makes these places which are present near the sea little bit cooler than the areas which are present far away from the sea. So this is about the distance from the sea, and we see that how the distance from the sea or ocean can affect the climate of a particular place. So this much for today. In the next class we will discuss about another factor, that is direction of winds, humidity and rainfall, and ocean currents. Thank you.